about living things and non-living things. What is living things? Living things can move, living things can grow, living things can eat food and water. What are the examples of living things? Humans, animals. These are the examples of living things. What is not living things? Not living things do not move, do not eat food and water. What are the examples of not living things? This is a pen. This is a book. These are the examples of not living things. Do you understand?
A very good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell a speech about Teachers Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a great president or an excellent teacher. A teacher takes our hand, opens our mind and touches our heart.
അറിവിന്നക്ഷരമുറ്റത്ത് എന്നെ നയിച്ചൊരു ടീച്ചർക്ക് നേരാ നന്മ നിറഞ്ഞുള്ള ആയിരം ആയിരം ആശംസ. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Puskurian. I am studying in 3rd C. Today I am talking about Teachers Day speech. Today is a wonderful occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teacher who builds the students into leaders.
Hi all my respected teachers and my sister. Let's celebrate our Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September.
A very good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Mira Ruby, 2nd standard student in St. English Medium School, Syria. Today I am here to present a speech on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. Actually, 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
ഒന്നു ചൊല്ലി പഠിച്ചപ്പോൾ ഒന്നു ചേർത്തു പിടിച്ചതാരോ രണ്ടെന്നു ചൊല്ലി പഠിച്ചപ്പോൾ രണ്ടുമ്മ നൽകിയതാരാണ് മൂന്നെന്നു ചൊല്ലി പഠിച്ചപ്പോൾ മിന്നും സമ്മാനം തന്നതാരോ നാലെന്നു ചൊല്ലി പഠിച്ചപ്പോൾ നാരങ്ങ മിഠായി നൽകിയില്ലേ.
I am Arya Shamsuddin. I am studying St. Joseph English Medium School, Choriyanad. Respected teacher, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day on this special day. I pay hearty to all my teachers who guide us, support us and build our future. We always celebrate teachers on 5th September every year. It is also the birth of anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Good morning to all, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I wish all of you a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on 5th September. It was the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, great scholar and a great excellent teacher. Teachers Day is a best way for students to express love and respect of their teachers. Every teachers are a reflection of his or her students. Teachers are backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice. Thank you and I wish all teachers again happy Teachers
Teachers Day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Karthik Vinay. I am studying in class 3A. Happy Teachers Day to all. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. This day is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. All students of India celebrated this day to pay respect to their teachers. Teachers are most respected person in students' life. We should obey our teachers and follow their advice. So here I am wishing good health and lot of success to all the teachers. Once again I wish you very happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you.
My name is Alonza Renes, second C. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Every year, September, we celebrate Teachers Day. Teachers Day is a memory of Dr. Sarvepalli. Teachers Day is a social and important day. Teachers are the hero of our lives. They are the second milestone to be every teacher for being as we do. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. To all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 15th of September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India in 1962 on September 5.
Thank you all. I'm standing in front of you to talk about regarding the topic of Teachers Day. On 1962, September 15 was the day which we ordered to celebrate the great Teachers Day. Teachers always treasure of knowledge, love and care. Teachers is the first monitor for the growing children. They will always teach us the importance of love, care, protection and rules which we follow our life. There will be a strong story regarding in the teachers who bring up their life. In this time, I wish to all my teachers that which they stand up in my good and bad times. Thank you.
എൻ്റെ പേര് ആരതി ബിജു. എൻ്റെ സ്കൂളിൽ സെൻറ് ജോസഫ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മീഡിയം. എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ് 2ാം ക്ലാസ്. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർമാർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ ഒരു പാട്ട് പാടാൻ പോവുകയാണ്.
അക്ഷരലോകത്ത് വാതിൽ തുറന്ന ആദ്യ ഗുരുവാണ് എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. പള്ളിക്കൂടത്തിൽ ആദ്യമായി എന്നെ കയറ്റി ആദ്യ ഗുരുനാഥ എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. അമ്മയെ പഠിപ്പിച്ച എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. എൻ്റെ കുസൃതികൾ പുഞ്ചിരിയോടെ നോക്കിയിരുന്ന് എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ സ്നേഹനിധിയായി എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ടീച്ചർമാർക്കും ഹാപ്പി ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഡേ.
Good morning to all respected sisters, teachers and my dear friends. I am Abhinav. I am going to sing a Teachers Day song which is dedicated to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my best friend, you are my role model. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. I love my teachers, I thank you teachers for everything. Happy Teachers. I am Dharendra. Today I am going to sing a Teachers Day song. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you teacher, I love you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. I love you teacher, I love you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to my teacher.
My name is Bari Prasad. I am studying standard second year. I am going to tell a speech on Teachers Day. I warm welcome to principal, sisters, my friends, and star of the day, my dear teachers. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September on birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives and with mix of shocks and challenges.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Today I am going to sing a special thank you song for my lovely teachers. Oh, my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, and I know you love me too. Yes, I do, yes, I do. You are so nice, you are so kind, and you work hard to teach me something new.
Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. My dear teachers and my friends, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. Very here in India, it is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a president.
Hi everyone, let us celebrate Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. I thank you, teacher. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher.
Good morning to all. My name is Alfred. I am studying standard 1A. Today, I am going to sing a song. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Aranjot Thomas, first standard. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day.
എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ നമസ്കാരം. അക്ഷരലോകത്ത് വാതിൽ തുറന്നൊരു ആദ്യ ഗുരുവാണ് എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ. പള്ളിക്കൂടത്തേക്ക് എന്നെ കയറ്റിയ ആദ്യ ഗുരുനാഥ എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചർ.
Teachers and my dear friends, I am Rehan Josh and I am in class 2. On this Teachers Day, I am here to convey my wishes to all teachers who are molding us for the bright future. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope you all know that in India we celebrate Teachers Day on September 5, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ ലക്ഷ്യം നായർ. ഞാൻ ഇന്നൊരു കവി ചൊല്ലാൻ പോവുക. Good morning to all. My name is Hidayah Sas. I am studying UKGC. Today, I'm going to Teachers Day song. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to everything. I love teacher and trust you teacher and thank you teacher for everything.
Good morning. My name is Nathan Regimati. Teachers Day is celebrated on September.
Respected principal and teachers, I am Noel Sandi, studying in UKG. Today we remember the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. This day we celebrate as Teachers Day. I wish you all a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
എന്റെ പേര് ആദിക ചിയ. ഈ ഗീതമാക്കുവാൻ ഞാൻ പാട്ട് പാടുന്നു. അക്ഷരപുസ്തകത്തെ വായിത്തോളും ആയ ഗുരുവാൻ എന്റെ ടീച്ചർ. എന്റെ കയ്യിലേക്ക് ആര് ഗുരുവാൻ എന്റെ ടീച്ചർ. എന്റെ മലയാളമാണ് എന്റെ മാതൃഭാഷ. എന്നെ ചൊല്ലിപ്പടി. Dear teacher, wishing you happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Principal and teachers, I am Rural Alexander, studying UKG. Happy Teachers Day.
കാലം നാളത്തെ ദിവസത്തിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാമോ? നാളെയാണ് സെപ്റ്റംബർ 5 സിസ്റ്റർ ജെ. അറിവിന്റെ ലോകത്ത് വെളിച്ചം നൽകിയ എന്റെ എല്ലാ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനും നന്മയാണ് ടീച്ചർ, അമ്മയാണ് ടീച്ചർ, കുട്ടികൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാമാണ് ടീച്ചർ. നന്മയുള്ള ലോകം നമ്മൾക്ക് മുന്നിൽ. Hi, I am Adil. Today I am to deliver a speech about Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th. It is the birthday of daughter Radhakrishnan. Hi everyone. Good morning my teacher. Happy Teachers Day. Hi, Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy day. Hey, thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Rijabram and studying UKG. Let us celebrate Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. 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 To my best friend, to my role model. My best friend, you are my role model. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. To my teachers. I love Happy Teachers Day. ഇതിലൊക്കെ വെൽക്കം പകരം നിങ്ങളെ ആര് പഠിപ്പിച്ചു? നിങ്ങളെ ആയെന്നെല്ലാം Principal and teachers, I am Adina Darpale. I study in UKG. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi friends, I am Angriha Rajesh. I am going to sing a song. Oh my teacher,
Lovely teacher, I love you. I love you. I know you love me too. I know you love me too. Yes.
Let's chat. Happy Teacher's Day. 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 Happy day.
I thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. You are my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are a light of light. You are a distant God. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. You are Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Morning to all. Respect the principal, teacher, parents, and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher's Day. The day is celebrated 5th of September every year in India. The first Teacher's Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. Dear friends,
Hello everyone, I am Abhinav Sriram. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year and I am wishing Happy Teachers' Day to
Good afternoon to all. I am Medha Parvati. Respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher's